New Year's Day, New York City. It's only been 12 hours since the Times Square ball drop.
It's 25 degrees. There's leftover confetti and tourists everywhere. Had to warm up there in the hotel. It is cold and windy. It's legitimately a windstorm of confetti. Here's the stage, which has been significantly broken down since yesterday evening. It's amazing the work that goes into this. And I think what's even more amazing is the cleanup. They have a whole crew. They probably work till like 6 a.m. to just clean up all of the chaos that goes involved with throwing a New Year's Eve spectacular in Times Square. I'm telling you, I give all the credit in the world to the people working outside today. The hop on, hop off bus tour people, the Times Square characters, of course, the vendors, you know, they work every day of the year. The people selling food, all the food carts. So shout out to them. I was a street performer in New York City for 2 years. Those months of December through March, rough months, my friends. This will be my piece of good luck for 2026. Really need to warm up here, so I'm gonna find a bodega, get some bodega coffee, which is my favorite type of coffee.
I love your coffee here.
Oh, you like it?
Yeah, it's so good. I used to come here all the time.
Oh, yeah?
I used to work right in the area.
Not anymore?
Not anymore.
It's a good thing?
Yeah, it's a good thing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So what I remember about Cook Eatery, which is where we are now, is when I used to work for The Ride, which was an entertainment company in New York City. It was like a bus tour meets Broadway show. I was a freestyle rapper for them, and I would come here and warm up with coffee between performances, which was crucial, especially when you're performing in 20-degree cold weather. Never too cold for ice cream. Pure madness out here. And this is kind of the end of the tourism run. January, man, I'd say is the most quiet month of the year in New York City, which can be kind of nice as someone who lives here. You get a chance to recover. You get a relatively quiet city to yourself. It's never quiet, but comparatively quiet when compared to Christmas and the summer. And we're about to see what people all over the world flock to this time of year.
Walk around.
Wishing everyone a happy new year. I want to thank you guys for a fabulous year. We hit over 10K subscribers recently. I left my job 2 years ago, my corporate job in advertising in New York City, to be a full-time creative, and this is a big part of it. So really means a lot, guys. Thank you. Yep. And happy new year. Let's do it big in 26.
Good.